चेयरमैन साहब प्रणाम।
हाँ, प्रणाम प्रणाम।
चरण स्पर्श सर, हैप्पी फाउंडेशन डे।
थैंक यू सो मच, सेम टू यू। और सबको मेरी बहुत बहुत बधाई आज के दिन की।
नमस्कार सर।
हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपको।
A.K. शर्मा सर नमस्कार।
नमस्कार, हमारी शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू सर। हैप्पी फाउंडेशन डे सर। नमस्कार गोलचा मैम, नमस्कार दुआ सर।
सबकी शुभकामनाएं आपको।
Today, on the 37th Foundation Day of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram, K. Munshi Marg Jaipur, we are honored to have a mistress, our chairman, Shri V.C. Surana sir. On all entries.
July 29 is an extremely acclaimed day for each one of us. And on this day, in another philosophy of life called Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram, K. Munshi Marg Jaipur came into existence. Since then, we have been celebrating this day with immense glee, glory, and enthusiasm. When Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan was founded by Dr. Kanhaiyalal Maneklal Munshi, for him, the main purpose was to provide a modern bridge to span the past, the present, and the future, built on the strong foundation of fundamental cultural values of life.
This eminent institution today is one of the greatest contributions, not only to Indian society, culture, and education, but also to the world at large. On this 37th Foundation Day, we hope and pray that it continues to do so till the existence of time. Prayer should not be regarded as a duty which must be performed, but rather as a privilege to be enjoyed, as a way to form a divine connection with our soul. Vidyashram has been a prime example of an institution which is age old yet ageless, modern yet historic, and scientific yet cultural.
Prayer is the essence of all religions, and we must have equal regard and respect for prayers of all religions. We at Bhavans follow secularism, and so we begin all our celebrations with Sarvdharm prayer. We present a video of the students of the primary school singing Sarvdharm prayer.
हरे देश में तू, हरे देश में तू, तेरे नाम अनेक तूने करी है। तेरी रंगभूमि यह विश्वधरा, सब खेल और मेल में तू ही है। हरे देश
We are sorry, sir. There appears to be some internet problem. So after having read the Sardham prayers, which is customary for all functions at Vidyashram, I pray to the Lord Almighty that Thy shall grant us the wisdom to live up to the mighty dream with which this school was founded. I now invite the head boy, the newly inducted head boy, Govind Khandelwal, to deliver the speech which is traditional, customary to the Foundation Day celebrations. Govind Khandelwal, head boy for the session 21-22. Welcome, Govind.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. The technical glitch, I believe we have overcome. Over to you for the head boy's address.
Yes, ma'am. Initially, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this privilege, and sincere apologies to all the dignitaries and all the viewers for the glitches. Good morning. It is my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to Chairman Sir, Shri V.C. Suranaji, other dignitaries, teachers, and all those who have assembled on this digital platform. I wish you all a healthy, warm, and rejuvenating good morning. This day marks an important day for all of us. 37 years ago, on this day, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram, K.M. Munshi Marg, Jaipur, the very institution, the very place I and many others have proudly called their second homes, was founded. Moreover, for me, it is even a more special day as today, for the first time in the 15 years that I've been in this school, I'm getting the privilege of speaking on the Foundation Day as the head boy. It is indeed a proud moment for me. These past 37 years have been a chronicle of hard work, determination, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram Jaipur's journey began on July 29th, 1985. And since then, we have traveled a long way on the path of success. And by the grace of God, I am confident this institution yet has miles to go and reach the pinnacle of success and glory. In the past 37 years, we have seen an exponential growth in the infrastructure, from an auditorium to a swimming pool, to smart boards, to even an attempt to go green with solar panels. This school has always offered its students the best of the best, whether those are the facilities or the human values. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru visited Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in 1950, he said that Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan covers all aspects of life, from the cradle to the grave and beyond. It fills a growing vacuum in modern life. Honestly, last year was a testimony to the statement. With all of us locked in our homes, the school stood by its students and ensured that their studies didn't lag. It filled the vacuum in their lives which was caused by the pandemic with events, competitions, workshops, and whatnot. And for this, we are extremely grateful to our school for standing with us constantly like a rock, safeguarding us in that difficult phase. A lot of the credit for all that Bhavan stands for and for all that it has achieved goes to its stalwart founder, Dr. Kanhaiyalal Maniklal Munshi ji, a writer, socialist, activist, politician, educationist, an eminent personality who gave his robust and righteous ideals an institutional foundation on 7th November 1938 and established Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. BVB Vidyashram Jaipur has been a patron of art and culture and has always ensured that its students thrive not only in studies but in co-scholastic activities as well. Many dignitaries have walked in the corridors of BVB Vidyashram Jaipur, and we are privileged to get an opportunity of walking in those corridors and imbibe all the noble thoughts that Vidyashram has offered us. On this Foundation Day, I, Govind Khandelwal, swear as the voice of 3,500 proud Bhavanites that we will uphold the ideals of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in all walks of life, no matter where we go. I also promise that we will put all that we have learned in this great institution to use in the most productive manner and do our parents, teachers, school, and nation proud. With this, I once again welcome you all to the 37th Foundation Day celebration of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram, K. Munshi Marg, Jaipur. I thank you all for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Govind Bhaiya. The speech has deeply encouraged us to imbibe, adopt, and practice Bhavan's philosophy and make it a part of our lives. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. In present times, this line is truer than ever because without the vision, will, and determination, nothing is possible. Realizing this, Dr. K.M. Munshi started One Mahotsav as early as in 1950. One Mahotsav is not just about saving the present generation, but it is mankind's battle, mankind's struggle, and mankind's crusade to ensure the continuity of life and to save our Mother Earth. Tree plantation has thus become embedded in our culture and our traditions. Taking Munshiji's vision ahead, the Bhavan's family came forward and planted saplings in the school premises on July 27, 2021, on the occasion of Foundation Day. With this, we take this opportunity to present a video showing the glimpses of plantations, as actions speak more than words.
Now, we would like to invite Mum Principal to enlighten us.
Thank you, Jui. Thank you, Aditya. Before I begin my address, I compliment you, children, for being able to overcome the sudden glitches, and that's the beauty of our school. Many compliments to you, Aditya and Jui. Most respected Chairman Sir, Shri V.C. Surana ji, Chairman Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Jaipur Kendra, Vice Chairman Shri Rajiv Jain ji, Justice Manachan Jain ji, other members of the advisory board, Captain and Director Jaipur Kendra, Captain Indian Navy and Director Jaipur Kendra Kumawat Sir, Dr. Satish Batra, Aarti ma'am, and everybody, Rajendra Bhanawat sir, I'm sorry, sir, the screen doesn't make me realize the presence, and all others, eminent, distinguished members, Dr. Anil Sharma, Regional Education Officer, our gracious guest from Delhi, other guests who have been kind enough to join from far and wide. It looks good to say all ranks of Bharati Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram KM Munshi Marg. My colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone and anyone whom I have faltered while addressing, I welcome you all on this 37th Foundation Day of this illustrious, giant, gigantic tree, which has now come to be called as one of the best schools of Rajasthan. And why not Bharati Vidya Bhavan Vidya Ashram KM Munshi Marg, Jaipur. Heartiest congratulations to one and all for contributing towards making our school what it is today. Well, Rome wasn't built in a day. And definitely, the school, the mammoth size, the great reputation, and the name that the school that has been able to carve for itself has seen the sacrifices of endless, uncountable people who have contributed towards the glory that we have achieved. Before I move any further, I wish to thank and express my heartfelt gratitude to our predecessors and to everyone, known and unknown, who have contributed towards making our school what it is today. My heart swells with pride.
Hello.
37th Foundation Day, when I say that every dark, even the darkest of clouds, have silver linings. Yes, the pandemic has been the biggest bane of all times. Yet, today, we stand tall at an all-time highest strength of 36, close to 3,500, in fact, exactly 3,587 students. Many congratulations. Thank you, worthy management, for making it happen for us, providing us all the support, even during the most testing of times that is nowadays. I also wish to congratulate our worthy staff members for having been able to get the maximum merit certificates in the history of our school, that is 32 merit certificates, CBSE merit certificates, a commendable achievement by all means. 7 NTSC final selections again is an achievement which is praiseworthy, and I wish to compliment, congratulate worthy parents, teachers, students, magnanimous and generous management. Well, it so happened on a day which was marked by a lot of gloom all over, and our vice chairman, sir, could not go for his routine walk to Central Park. The pandemic was at its peak. But we are fortunate. I, as a residential staff, of course, and the school also is fortunate to have a sprawling, pollution-free campus. And it just happened by chance that our worthy vice chairman chose to take his morning walk, I don't know if I would say on the lawns of Vidya Ashram, because during those days, there hardly were lawns. There were grounds with the scattered grass. But ever since then, he started coming for the walk. He saw what we could not see over the years. Perhaps leaders are made up of sterner metals and great steel. The lawns, as we see today, is a coincidence that happened because Vice Chairman sir started coming for a walk. Thank you, sir, for all that you've done, for the time that you spared, and the promises that the management provides, and of course upholds always, for letting us pursue our dreams. The pandemic has taken a lot from us, but nonetheless, it has also given us new vistas of exploration and experimentation. While we begged Rajasthan First for pedagogical and innovation methods of teaching learning for pre-primary kids during the pandemic, but Dr. Anil Sharma sir, please take it with a pinch of salt that you did not spare us even for a single day. And we attended 100 webinars. The staff attended 100 webinars of staff enrichment. That indeed has been incredible, and all of us, as we sit here today, are richer in experience, deed, and action. Thank you, A.K. Sharma sir, for the opportunities provided. Justice Jain, thank you so much for being a legend who is just a phone call away. In all legal matters, in all worldly matters, you have provided the much needed advice with your elan, with your experience. Thank you so much, sir. Rajendra Bhanawat sir, thank you so much for allowing us to be what we are, for being able to reach out to you in all earnest with our doubts and our dilemmas, and being that guiding light with your experience of bureaucracy, world, and everything. Captain Kumawat sir, our worthy director, sir, I have no words to thank you for all that you've been. When the world was reeling under the pandemic, one man who walked straight and tall throughout the last 1.5 years of the pandemic was our worthy director, Captain Kumawat sir. Thank you, sir, for being there every day and for being such a patient person with us and for bearing with all the little mistakes that we do every day. RC Jain sir, thank you for providing the much needed support all the time. Dr. Satish Batra, thanks for being what you are. Chairman Purchase Committee, Kamal Kothari sir, thank you so much for keeping the coffers open even amidst the most trying times. And when the cuts have become a norm, Vidya-ashram has still been able to survive. Thank you, sir. Priyadarshini Kachawa ma'am, thank you for the experiences that you share with me. Thanks for being the friend who is just a call away. Yes, last but not the least. Not last but not the least. Above all, with folded hands and all humility, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our worthy chairman, sir, for telling me time and again, यदि अच्छा है और स्कूल के काम का है तो कर लो. That is the only assurance, sir, that is required from you all the time. Thank you for bearing with our mistakes and for being what you are. Worthy Chairman, sir, wholeheartedly and on behalf of everyone, Sadar Charan Sparsh, from all quarters of Vidya-ashram, for being the father figure that you are. And last but not the least, the support staff, the ministerial staff of Vidya-ashram, you have been there throughout. आप सबको मेरा हार्दिक साधुवाद. I might sound a little outrageous, but dear and reverend and most respected seniors, please give me the opportunity and the freedom to thank my team of vice principal, coordinators, and their team members for being there throughout, during the thick and thin. Thank you, dear friends, for being what you are. Nothing more, nothing less. Dear students, you have kept the flame intact and alive. Thank you for being our students. Almighty God, we faced a very challenging and lethal second wave. I thank you with my folded hands in prayers that all of us, in spite of the second wave, and in spite of being on the margin, are here together today. I wish all happiness, all bountiness, and immortality to our legendary institution till eternity. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Foundation Day. And we all know, ये एक ब्राह्मण ने कहा है कि ये साल अच्छा है. Thank you. Thank you. Over to you, Aditya and Jui.
Thank you, Mom. The speech was really inspiring. We are certain that has made an impact on each and every one of us. जीवन में मान सम्मान, यश और शांति की प्राप्ति के सभी द्वार शिक्षा की एक किरण से खुल जाते हैं, और जब जीवन शिक्षा की रोशनी से आलोकित हो, उससे सराबोर हो, तो जीवन का अर्थ व्यापक व विस्तृत हो जाता है। शिक्षा के इस प्रकार से प्रकाशित ज्ञान फैलाते हमारे विद्यार्थियों का यह नृत्य आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है।
भारतीय विद्या भवन विद्याश्रम सिर्फ एक शैक्षणिक संस्थान नहीं, वरन शिक्षा के प्रथम व अनिवार्य मोर्चे पर सजग व सतत तैनात वह प्रहरी है जिसने 37 वर्षों से बाल हृदयों में शिक्षा का दीप जगाया है। समान स्तर पर सभी को शिक्षा का ऐसा पाठ पढ़ाया है कि शिक्षा मस्तिष्क के साथ हृदय में भी स्थायी रूप से बस गई है। विद्यालय द्वार से ही माँ सरस्वती के आशीर्वाद की छाया पाकर जो बाल जीवन और मन यहाँ पल्लवित व विकसित होता है, वैसा प्राय आधुनिक युग में देखना दुर्लभ है। कठिन से कठिन परिस्थिति में भी जूझने और विकसित होने की ललक ही यहाँ के शिक्षकों की पहचान है। वर्षों से शिक्षा की जो लहर बहती आ रही थी, किसी कीटाणु का कोई एक अंश भी उसे रोक ना पाया। लहर बहती रही अपने उफानों और अपने ठहरावों के साथ, और जब तक बहती रहेगी जब तक हर नाव किनारे न पहुंच जाए। शिक्षा जीवन का आधार है, या यूं कहें कि जीवन ही है। जीवन पर्यंत गुरु की उंगली थाम ज्ञान का रस पीते हुए चलने का सुख जैसा विद्या के इस आश्रम में मिलता है, वैसा कहीं नहीं मिलता। समय बहुत बलवान है और अपनी गति से गतिमान है। समय को परिवर्तित करना तो मानव के वश में नहीं है, परंतु एक योद्धा की तरह भविष्य की मुंडेर पर खड़ी उस विपत्ति को जो अदृश्य होकर भी सशक्त है, यह समूचा विद्यालय परिवार अपने हौसलों से परास्त कर पुनः विजयी होगा। शिक्षा को ही सर्वस्व समर्पित करता भारतीय विद्या भवन विद्याश्रम परिवार 37वें स्थापना दिवस पर आपका स्वागत करता है। तो चलिए आनंद ज्ञान की रोशनी से सरोबार इस नृत्य का।
Danadom 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 danadom
हमें लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, खाते हैं हम ये कसम।
Danadom 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 danadom
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है, शिक्षा का रास्ता है, उसी पे चलेंगे हम।
सत्य क्या है, ये सुनो, अपने मन में जान लो। ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है, उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो, स्वस्थ जीवन।
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है, वो ही आगे आ गया है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो, स्वस्थ जीवन।
तुमको सदा आगे ही आगे है जाना, ये शपथ लो। काम कोई अच्छा है करके दिखाना, ये शपथ लो।
विद्या जो पाएंगे हम, कुछ न दिखाएंगे हम। पढ़ लिख के जो काज करेंगे, सबके मन
चली है, उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है।
पाओ शिक्षा, पाओ भोजन, स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन। लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, भाग्य है होंगे न सुंदर। जो ज्ञान बरसता है, शिक्षा बरसता है, उसी पे चलेगा न डूबना न डूबना। लिखना है, पढ़ना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, भाग्य है होंगे न सुंदर। जो ज्ञान बरसता है, शिक्षा बरसता है, उसी पे चलेंगे हम।
Indeed, it was a wonderful performance by Team BVB. The year 2020 compelled everybody to stay at home. We are afraid of leaving our homes even in 2021. But this could not deter our spirits. We believe that where there is a will, there is a way. And so we have brought the glimpses of the session 2020-2021 in our e-magazine. Now, it is time for e-magazine release. May I now request Ma'am Pratima Sharma to do the honors.
Thank you, Juhi. Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, Chairman, sir, I request you kindly to unmute. With your permission, can I tell the team at the resource center in our computer lab to unveil the e-magazine for the session 2021. I take pride in announcing that Ashutosh Goyal of class 10th A has designed the cover page of the digital magazine Bhavan Bharti. Dear friends, all my elders, there is a link of the videos of the programs that we did throughout the year at the bottom of every page of the e-magazine. We as a school have been able to do it, and we are the only school in the entire, if I'm not exaggerating, I have not been able to hear about any such endeavor from any school of Rajasthan. But yes, in Jaipur, we are the only one. There is a way to reach out on the video in the editorial written by the worthy editorial team, and then how to come back to the main page. The team has really strived hard. My compliments to everyone who have contributed. Sir, Chairman, sir, with your permission, please, and with folded hands.
Yes. Please continue. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. The team, please unveil the magazine.
Pandemic has indeed been the biggest pain of all times. Yet, it opened up the new vistas of exploration and experimentation.
One such attempt has been the setting up of filmmaking division at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram. We are pleased to present before you all our debut venture, The Last Bench.
कक्षा की लास्ट बेंच पर बैठने वाले, जिनकी खीसों की मुट्ठियों में भरी रहती है दुगनी आजादी, जो गले में बांधे घुमा करते हैं नालायक और डफर की तख्ती। अक्सर वे गुम हुई तितलियों को ढूंढते हुए ज्ञान की लालटेन में सेंध लगाना भी जानते हैं। यही तुम्हारी सीधी बनाई लकीर की बाह मरोड़कर चल पड़ते हैं कहीं, अपनी बनाई टेढ़ी लाइन के सख्त पंजों पर, क्योंकि वे केवल सांस लेने वाली भीड़ नहीं होना चाहते। यकीन करो, तुम्हारे फिक्स नियमों को डस्टर से मिटा देने के बाद और सारी होशियारी को ताला जड़ने के उपरांत इन्होंने ही की थी आग की खोज। जब तुम पढ़ा रहे थे भेड़ों को कोई बौद्धिक पाठ, तो ये चुपचाप तुम्हारे यहाँ अक्ल बढ़ती है वाले बैनर पर काली स्याही पोतकर चल पड़े थे वही एक
नए वादों का जो डाला है वो जाल अच्छा है। एक ब्राह्मण ने कहा है कि ये साल अच्छा है। नई शिक्षा नीति के लुभावने वादों के बीच यह लास्ट बेंच वाले कहीं ना कहीं अपना मुकम्मल जहां खोज ही लेंगे। यकीन मानो तब ही होगी आग की खोज, वरना अभी तक तो हम सब सिर्फ और सिर्फ हाथ सेक रहे हैं। Wonderful, the last bench, maiden venture of the films division of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram K. Mushima. Thank you, everyone.
We would like to invite Chairman Sir, who is an inspiration for each and every student of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram, to illuminate our minds with his ingenuity, his wisdom, and his acumen.
Chairman Sir.
आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम। On the occasion of the 37th Foundation Day of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Vidyashram School, I extend my good wishes to you all. While this is the occasion to celebrate, it is also an occasion to assess ourselves in the progress of the institution and set our goals for the future. We are all hit by the pandemic, yet it is heartening that in spite of the lockdowns, virtual classes have filled the gap to a large extent, and we have tried to minimize the losses in the career of the students. I congratulate the principal, teachers, and students for all the efforts in achieving the same. I sincerely hope that the situation will improve shortly and we will resume our normal activities. I am happy that we have been upholding the values of our founder, Dr. K.M. Munshiji, and the Bhavan's family has stood the test of difficult times. Adoption of the new education policy is on our next agenda, and we have already begun working towards the same. We remember the Bhavan's motto, let noble thoughts come from all sides. We are always open to new ideas, and I am happy that the principal and staff are always open to new ideas and adopting the same. I appreciate the principal and the staff's initiative of e-magazine and the making of the film. I bless you all with good health, courage, and happiness. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
All are full of motivation, and we can't describe in words how grateful we are for these words of wisdom.
We at Bhavans believe that the root of all goodness lies in the soil of appreciation. Thus, we take this moment to invite the head girl, Komati Rajeshwari, to propose a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Aditya. Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Greetings to esteemed dignitaries, Ma'am Principal, Ma'am Vice Principal, respected teachers, and my fellow mates. It is my utmost privilege to extend the vote of thanks on behalf of the school. I extend my sincere thanks to Chairman Sir, Shri V.C. Suranaji, and Vice Chairman Sir, Shri Rajiv Jainji, for sparing their valuable time in gracing this occasion with their beaming presence. It is said that it does not matter where you go and what you study. What matters the most is what you share with yourself and the world. Thank you, sir, for sharing your enlightening thoughts and encouraging us. Your thoughts will surely motivate us to walk on the right path with courage. Thank you, Ma'am Principal, for your pearls of wisdom and guidance. An event of such type cannot happen overnight. It requires a lot of planning and working on details. We have been fortunate to be supported by a wonderful team. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank all those teachers and students who organized and helped organize the event and made it successful, and left behind beautiful memories to cherish. I also want to thank everyone who worked behind the scenes for the event to be a success. The technical team, the arrangement team, the fine art department, the Department of Performing Arts, and the ushering staff. To sum up, I would like to thank Team Vidyashram. The team spirit itself serves as a catalyst that inspires each one of us to do his or her best and stand together as pillars of the foundation. On behalf of the students, I promise to uphold the legacy of Bhavan's Vidyashram and take it forward, making the foundation stronger and stronger. Thank you, one and all.
It is rightly said that a society without the knowledge of their history, origin, and culture is just like a tree without roots. Carrying the legacy forward, here at Bhavans, each one of us is dedicated to the twin tasks of elucidating this age-old message of integrating varied and vibrant culture of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan with the changing needs of the present-day world. Being Bhavanites, we always take pride in singing Bhavan's anthem. So, to culminate today's program, we present a video which represents the ardent efforts of our students who preserve the remarkable culture and tradition of not only our school but of our country by intoning the Bhavan's anthem. We request everyone to rise in honor of Bhavan's anthem.
जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा ज्ञान कर्म की ज्योति जगाता अमृतमय विद्या सरसाता यहाँ जगत कल्याण सुधा की बहे प्रेम रस धारा जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा गुण गौरव संस्कृत भाषा का देश विदेशों में फैलाता सत्य शिवम सुंदर का संगम भारत राज दुलारा जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा भारत संस्कृति कला निकेतन विकसाता साहित्य सनातन नव विज्ञान कला कौशल का पावन मंदिर प्यारा जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा प्रभु अर्पित सब कर्म कराता मानव को संपन्न बनाता सदा एकता प्रेम भक्ति पर तन मन धन सब वाला जय जय विद्या भवन भारती जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा
The anthem has truly reminded us of the greatness and subtle beauty of our culture and traditions. All good beginnings come to an end. With this, we come to the end of today's program. We thank everyone for joining us and hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya Jui. God bless you. Thank you, Chairman, sir. Vice
Thank
Chair.
you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Who Rajen Bhanawat, sir. Justin Jain.
Thank you, Pratima ji, for a good program. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Captain, sir. Asha Golcha, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for inviting. Compliments for the program and many congratulations.
Thank you, Deepak Dua, sir. Thank you so much.
Fatima ma'am, thank you and convey my congratulations to all of them.
Thanks a lot.
Justice Jain, thank you so much.
My blessings to you and to all of you.
Jain sir, thank you sir.
Wonderful program.